Hi guys, welcome to my channel once more. Welcome back. This is Good Guard Farm, and I am confident EDK. Well, sir, this is the second video I'm making, and still on my journey as a farmer. We more like I anyway. I've been able to get some things done. I was able to pay order for the chicks that will be the fowls and all that, the birds. And I've also been able to buy some of the materials. You'll get to see the materials later in the video. I just want to do talking now. And then I've cleared the bird house, I've cleaned it up, I've cleaned up all the materials I need. I don't have everything I need, but I have enough for me to start with. And obviously I'm going to take action. So today the chicks are supposed to be arriving today, and in case they arrive today, no, they will arrive today, and when they do, I'm going to add it to this video so you'd see what they look like from arrival and all that. And that's basically it. You're welcome to my channel. I'm going to be updating you on how it's been going, and I'm really happy because I saw some of my results from the final year and they are very good, so we are winning on both sides. So like I said, I already prepared myself adequately. Although I'm yet to get my charcoal, but I'll get them today. I've gotten many other things, all other things. And you can't get the vaccines now, the drug, because there's something called cold chain. The cold chain is okay in vaccination, especially for birds. Some of those vaccines are supposed to be stored in a cold place so that they don't because if you're not cold and then you administer them to the bird, you will end up getting even worse than what you are trying to prevent. I will explain what vaccination is further, and so that's basically it for the preparation for the farm. Stick to the video and so that you are going to see how my preparation have been and what I've been doing so far and what I intend to do. It's very little. We're starting with 40 beds. I'm prepared. I'm really nervous actually, because this is the first time I'm doing something like this, and I mean there's always the first time. I'm happy. Stick to the video so that you see every other thing that's going to go on. Thank you. So yes guys, the birds have arrived. I'm just going to put it inside the poultry house. Hello guys, I'm tired and I'm happy. I mean, the chicks they are healthy, but not to the expectation. On average, the chicks, broiler chicks are supposed to be 40 grams to 45 grams, but mine is just within 38 to 37. That's not really bad for a start, and considering that it's still early today, so probably later in the evening we might get better weight. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this particular video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video so you get more videos like this. Thank you.